to see the Tiddly Peeps. On the road we go. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. They're smart. They're fun. They know. The Tiddly Peeps, the Tiddly Peeps. If we need to know who, what, where, why, when, and how, we'll ask them off we go. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. On the road we go. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. They're smart. They're fun. They know.
I'm so pleased to see you. Guess what? Tula, Ivor and I are trying to think of a new game that a monkey would like to play. Have you got any ideas?
How about a monkey rhyme?
That's a hooby groovy idea, but I don't know any monkey rhymes.
But we do! There was a naughty monkey who jumped on a bed.
We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. On the road we go. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. They're smart. They're fun.
They know.
The Tiddly Peeps, the Tiddly Peeps. If we need to know who, what, where, why, when, and how, we'll ask them off we go. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. On the road we go. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. They're smart. They're fun. They know.
Oobledoop, Tiddly Peep. Tiddly Peep, wake up. I'm sorry to wake you, Tiddly Peep. I've tried everything to get to sleep, but it just isn't working.
Have you tried cuddling something?
Cuddling?
Hooby groovy.
Does cuddling help?
Yes. Can I cuddle you, Ivor?
Of course you can. That's really hoobacious. But what can I cuddle to help me get to sleep? I really fell asleep.
Twang is running, round the room, round the room. Don't take any notice, he'll fall down soon, Tim is snoring, see her shake, she sounds just like a piggy, make